can now see the C point. This is another element of our horizontal component of Earth magnetic field. Now, so what does it mean? When a freely suspended magnet, we observe that freely suspended magnet is always directed in north-south direction. So a vertical plane at any particular point which passes through the magnetic poles of a magnet is called your magnetic meridian. So normally freely suspended magnet is always in a magnetic meridian. So that gives the direction of Earth magnetic field. So Earth magnetic field is always in the plane of magnetic meridian. So the component of Earth field in horizontal direction called your horizontal component of Earth magnetic field. So we can write here a freely suspended magnet, a freely suspended magnet is always directed along north-south direction. So a vertical plane, and or we can write, and it always lie in magnetic meridian plane. In magnetic meridian plane. So Earth magnetic field. The Earth magnetic field is always in magnetic meridian plane. Is always in magnetic meridian plane. So a horizontal component, of Earth field in magnetic meridian plane, in magnetic meridian plane is known as horizontal component of Earth field, and this normally we are representing with BH. So we can say, or we can draw a diagram, from that we can understand in the better way. Let this be our plane, that plane called as a geographical meridian, GM. GM means here geographical meridian, which already we have defined, and this is let another plane. This is another plane that normally we are representing with MM, magnetic meridian. So this angle we have defined as a phi. This is your declination. So a magnet which suspended on this plane, magnetic meridian. So this is the magnet which is suspended in this plane. So this gives the direction of Earth magnetic field B. So angle made by Earth magnetic field with the horizontal called angle of dip. So B is the resultant Earth field. So component of resultant field in this direction, this is BH. So BH is your B cos theta, and similarly we can say here this is your, in that side, BV we can say vertical component of earth field. This can be said as B sin theta, where theta is angle of dip. Theta is angle of dip, and BV is the vertical component of earth field. Vertical component of earth field. So from here we can say root over BH square plus BV square is your B. So resultant earth field can be equal to your root over under root of BH square plus BV square, and from here we can say here tan theta. Tan theta is your BV by BH, or theta is your tan inverse BV by BH. So this is the general idea about your horizontal component of earth field. Now see few example.